Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's All-Star Music Resort to do a full room tour of a preferred room. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone to spread out.
Yeah, it is at least until you pull the second bed out. Then it gets a little bit crowded, as we'll see in just a few minutes. But we still really like these new refurbished rooms that they have. We always recommend the preferred buildings here at the All-Star Resorts just because you are so much closer to the front. We're here in the Jazz Inn buildings, which is one of the ones that's preferred. They also have the Calypso buildings a little bit closer. Either way, you save yourself a ton of walking with these preferred rooms.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come in here, you can see that we do have the newly remodeled room where we have a queen size bed over there and then a pull down Murphy bed over here for the second bed. Really opens up the space in the room a lot. Of course, these rooms are not huge, but that helps a lot with getting that extra bed out of the floor space here. Over in front of us, we have our coffee maker and our mini fridge. Now this is just a cooler, not a fridge, so there's no freezer section and it only goes down to 41 degrees, so that's something to keep in mind. And then your coffee maker is a single serve coffee maker. They have the Joffrey's coffee there, of course, as well as all the cups and creamers and sugars and things. You've got an ice bucket here as well, and there are a couple wall outlets right behind the coffee maker. Of course, you can use that to turn on the coffee maker and also to charge your devices if you need. Over to the right, we have our dresser and our TV. We've got a good sized flat screen TV up there on the wall. And then the dresser has 2 sets of wall outlets and USB outlets built in, so you've got places for charging there. And then in this cabinet is where you're gonna find your in-room safe, right there on that top shelf. And we have 3 drawers here on this dresser that are a pretty good size. They're pretty deep, so you've got a decent amount of storage space here with the drawers on the dresser. Our table over here, as I said, does pull down with the Murphy bed there. Alyssa will pull that down in just a minute and show you what that looks like. On this side of the bed, we have a small little nightstand with some USB chargers and wall outlets there. The chairs here are themed to the resort. They represent All-Star sports and movies and music all at the same time. And with the sports representation, you can see the bowling ball has a little hidden Mickey right there where the finger holes are. Over on the other side of the Murphy bed, we have another little nightstand where you have your phone. You also have some of those USB and wall outlets there. And then above the bed, we've got Mickey, Minnie, and Donald with the lights there. They've added a lot of lighting here in this room, so it's a lot better than it used to be with the uplighting on the Murphy bed and the extra lights up above the main bed. You do have under the bed storage here with this bed as well for your luggage, so you can slide your suitcases underneath there. Really nice to get those out of the way here in the room. You've got a coat rack over here on the left, and then your bathroom door is a barn door that slides over here all the way across. There is no way to lock this sliding barn door though, so that's something to be aware of. And then in our bathroom, we have a pretty large vanity here, just the one sink, but lots and lots of storage space built in around the sink with the shelves. You've got your iron over there with your hair dryer. You also have the ironing board. You've got the shelves over here on the left. You also have a little closet space with some hangers and another shelf. They've really tried to utilize this space well since it is such a small room, give you lots of places to store things. And then the mirror is lighted all the way around, so you have a decent amount of lighting there in the mirror when you're getting ready. The other half of the bathroom has a sliding door to close it off, and this one does have a lock on it. Just pull that closed. You have your full-length mirror hiding on that door there. And then in this half of the bathroom, we have, of course, our toilet. We have all of our towels and washcloths, and we have our tub and shower. So you've got the sliding glass door for your tub. You have the single shower head in here. There is no detachable shower head, just the single stationary head. And you have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here as well. Now, Alyssa has pulled down that Murphy bed, so you can see what it looks like in here with that pulled down. You've got not nearly as much space once you pull that bed in because they are both queen size beds as opposed to the doubles they used to have in the All-Star Resort, so it takes up a lot more room when the bed is down. It's got a regular mattress on it too, worth pointing out. It is the same mattress that they have on the bed over here. It's just as thick and as comfortable. They didn't use some kind of sofa mattress or anything like that, so we appreciate that. And then up above the bed, our last little thing in here is Huey, Dewey, and Louie taking a nap on the couch while dreaming of, well, playing sports, going to the theater and playing in a band, which represents, of course, all-star sports, all-star movies, and all-star music. They can have the same headboard in all 3 of the resorts as they remodel, so they don't have to make something specific for each resort. And that is going to conclude our tour of this preferred room here at All Star Music.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there for more room tours and resort tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.